Oh, right, yeah, no, just out of the shot. Out of the shot. Right, just move out of the way. Ruining a really nice shot. This is a perfect borders, scene, river, hills. Don't need the bird. At least not right in the center of the frame, distracting everybody from the nice shot. Look, I don't want to send in the crow, but right, send in the crow. Go on, out of the shot. Great, thank you. Right, yep, thank you. Right, now you, oh, come on, both of you get out of the shot. Look, it's just such a nice shot. See, it's and it's nearly over. I'm gonna have to turn around and go back the other way. Just a few seconds. No, right the way out. You look. You're just a draw. I can't see anything but you in the shot. Right, I'm just gonna. Right, just stop the drone and let it go on its way. Just stop. There we go. Right, let's go back a bit. There we go. Oh, come on. It was like the bus and everything. The bus and... Whoa! No! Right, start the shot again. Right, reframe, that's it. Then wait for it to get out. No, the sheep are fine. I don't mind the sheep at all. Right, that's good, looking good. Oh, what are they doing? I think they might be coming this way. Right, accelerate. Get out of the way. Whoa!